Kaboodle's 2023-24 trends range features paprika, a complex and rich burgundy red hue. For this mood board I combined paprika, a dark red hue, with two calming colours, olive grove, a muted earthy green, and oyster mist, a warm neutral. While paprika is quite rich, exuding elegance, olive grove brings a tranquil feel, and oyster mist is a timeless and versatile colour that complements them both. For the benchtops, I've chosen hazelnut to inject warmth and texture, and for the handles I've chosen the Salento Gold and Carbo Amber Gold handles. Simple and elegant in style, the gold finish brings out the warmth of the hazelnut and adds contrast to the overall space. When it came to the splashback tiles, I chose terracotta to complement the paprika. The matte finger mosaic tiles create interest and have a beautiful variation in tones to inject further tactility. For the finishing touches, I've added organic forms in the way of ceramic and wood pieces.